Hey, it's Rafael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent, and today we'll be in Tradition checking out a model by Taylor Morrison. What I'm going to be showing you is in their higher end lifestyle brand of communities and homes. And if this is something you feel you'd be interested in, reach out to me directly and I'd be able to work with and represent you as we navigate through all of your options together. So here we have the Lazio model, and this home is going to start out at 2,275 square feet under air, but most end up like the model at around 2,400 square feet. You're going to get 3 bedrooms and a den, 3 bathrooms, with the option for a 3-car garage, either as a tandem or a front load. And the focal point of this home is really the kitchen. It's huge, and they actually bumped it out even further to add a bar and a space for a breakfast nook. The builder also recently made a change to the owner suite to where you get about double the closet space, and you still get a spacious walk-in shower, just not the car wash that you'll see here. You'll get a private guest suite off from the laundry room, and they expanded the patio even further to have space for a fireplace and TV outside, but you can also do an outdoor kitchen if you prefer. And if you're looking for something more move-in ready and don't want to wait a year to build, they do have some houses for sale in this area too. So if you want more information about those, or you're interested in building a home from scratch, you should reach out to me directly. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. So I hope you enjoyed walking through this model with me, and let me know what you thought of this home in the comments below. If you're in a position where you're planning out your next move, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. I'll put my information up on the screen now, and you can give me a call or email me, and I'd be able to help you through the entire process.